Welcome, from me is the OPPO A91, and today I will show you how to transfer files from your phone to an SD card and vice versa. So to get started, let's open up our file manager app, which is this yellow folder right here. And from here you should see the two storages at the bottom, so you have the phone storage and SD card. Now I'm gonna go to the phone storage, and from here let's go to all files. Actually, it doesn't really matter. Here I have everything that I need anyway. So basically you can see almost every folder apart from the downloads one. Maybe it will show up if you actually download something, I'm not sure. But DCIM folder will contain any kind of image that you have captured with the device. So that will be photos, videos. Pictures will contain just screenshots. Then music and movies usually contains stuff that you put in there yourself. And like I said, there's also a downloads folder. If you go to all the files instead of just like the, I guess, most common ones, downloads folder will contain any kind of file that you have downloaded through either web browser or Gmail, stuff like that. Whenever you download anything, it will be in the downloads folder. So once you know where everything is, you want to find your files, which for me, I'm gonna go with the camera, and I have a couple of photos that I just took off the screen right here. And that's what I'm going to use as an example to move them. So once you find your files, like I just did, you want to hold it, and as you can see, when you hold the first one, it gets selected, and then you can simply tap on additional ones to add them on. Now, if you have an entire folder full of photos, so we're talking about more than you want to tap on, then you can either, tap on here to select all. Hopefully that's visible on the camera. It looks really bright and kind of not clear, but you have right here on in the corner select all, like I just did. There we go, select all. Or you can go back to the folder itself right here, so you have camera, and you can see 4 items in it, so that's the 4 photos. And instead of selecting the photos itself, you can select the folder, and that will include everything that is inside of this folder. So once you have it selected, whichever way you prefer, what you want to do is choose one of the 2 options. You have cut or copy. And now cut will remove it completely from where it is right now and move it to a new location of your choice, while copy will just create a copy of the file while keeping the original one where it is right now. So I'm gonna go with cut, and from here we just want to go back to wherever you want to move it to. So I'm gonna go back, and I'm going to an SD card as you just seen, so now I'm on SD, and I could drop it also in the DCIM folder that exists on the SD card, but just so it's different, I'm gonna drop it right here on the SD card in the middle of it. So paste, and there we go. You can see that there is a new folder appeared on here called camera, and if I go in here, there's the 4 photos. And if I were to go back to the storage and DCIM, you will see that there's only screenshots folder, which also looks like screenshots are located in the DCIM instead of the pictures. But yeah, that is basically how you would remove any kind of file. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.